Alright, today I have a video on a Dell Inspiron 13, the 5000 series. And this is just a unboxing and overview of the product. I do have we'll have another video coming out on this laptop about just a overview and performance and usage, stock. Specs for this machine are the base, well, not the base model. This one does have an i3 6100U in it, 4 gigs of RAM, which is stock, and 500 gig hard drive. It comes with just your basic features: HDMI, USB 3.0, a media card reader, and everything like that. But we'll take a look at that once we get it out of the box. I also have we'll have a video coming on upgrades for this computer, where I install a SSD and a 8 gig stick of RAM, and how to tear it apart and everything like that. So we'll just get along with this and show y'all what's in the package. And alright, first thing out of the box is the power adapter for the laptop. Comes with just the standard power cord, which is what most desktops use, but it has a different connector on it, so it's actually not what most desktops use. This is a 45 watt brick, so not that power demanding. So get an overview of everything. The laptop comes just basically like this. There's with this, and it does not. It does have the warranty information and the just the quick start guide. So put that up here. This is a fairly light notebook. Comes with a screen protector, well, a sort of plastic on the inside to protect the screen. And then I'll be right back with the overview. Alright, I am showing y'all the ports and stuff on the facing this way. On the right hand side for y'all, you've got a volume button for tablet mode, and the power button, and a SD card reader, and a lock port, and a USB 2.0 port. And on the left side, you have a HDMI, USB 3.0, and another USB 3.0, and then your headphone microphone slot, and then the power input. On the back, there's nothing really special. Screws for taking a laptop apart, which I'll be doing in another video to upgrade it. But I would be doing this video, first overview of just the machine as stock and how it works. Here it is in tablet mode. It feels very sturdy. There is a little bit of flex in the display. That's to be expected. But holding it like this, even though it is plastic, I can't flex the machine any. And it's got the rear vent slots and back vent. But that's about it. This is the power cord. It's probably going to be about a 6-foot cable or so. But I'll get opened up and look at it to get the exact length. No, this is, y'all can't see that, but this is about 3 feet. And then the cable connected to the actual power brick is, which y'all can't see it, it's not in frame, but it's 6 feet. And here is the power brick. Just a little 45 watt power brick. Not that cumbersome. But anyway, it looks very nice, built very well. This is the lower spec model. It has the i3 in it, with 500 gig hard drive, 4 gigs of RAM, 1080p touchscreen, IPS. So color should be pretty accurate. But anyway, that's it for the video today. Stay tuned for the overview of this laptop stock, and then the upgrade video where I take the laptop apart and upgrade the internals. I'll be replacing the hard drive in it with a 240 gig Kingston SSD, and then the RAM with 8 gigs of RAM. If it has 2 memory slots, then I'll just keep what it has in there and add the 8 gigs for 12 gigs of RAM, but I doubt that, so it'll be just an 8 gig machine. I have quite a bit of videos planned for this machine, and then I'll also be doing an overview on if there's any battery savings of adding an SSD or anything like that. So just stay tuned. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike if you have any questions. Then just hit me up in the comments below, and I'll catch you on the next video.